there, it's Daniel here. Again, I want to tell you about this calendar that's available this year, Feilire. That's a calendar for 2024, and it's all in the Irish language and some lovely pictures of different views and scenes of Ireland. So Feilire, bachordu orc Lina agus fan bamid go vecime. I look here www.eamoncoyle.ie or eamoncoyle.com. Eamon is the man that puts all this together. So if you want to acquire one of these calendars, go online and you'll be able to get one. Thanks very much.
It breaks my heart from you to part, where I spend